the campaign is getting more intensified. I mean, it's as if our enemies are now waking up to use propaganda, lies, stage managed things, sponsoring some people to counter what we are doing. There is this particular guy on Twitter that goes by the name Mwadiala. I mean, he will always want to present one person who says IKWERRE not Igbo, who will come out to say IKWERRE not Igbo. But one thing I'm assuring every person is this, that out of any, or in any 10 persons you provide that says that IKWERRE people are not of Igbo origin, I'll provide you 100. I'll provide you 100 people that confirms their origin to be Igbos in IKWERRE land. Yes, this I assure you. This I assure you. So anyhow, when I like, man, I do am. But another thing is this, you know, my own Igbo people, I am a bit disappointed in the way we have been handling the movements, the movement of unification of Igbo. You know, you see these sponsored people. What they do is, once they get a video of one person saying IKWERRE, maybe talking down on Igbo, saying they are IKWERRE is not Igbo. You will see the Benins, you will see the Jaws, you see the Yorubas, you see every people who has really, I mean, who has a thing against Igbo. They will be sharing it, they will be sponsoring that post. But what we are doing, the unification, I see my people are not even interested. It's as if it's someone's job. Like, it's my job. It's not my job, it's our job. Onyagala one no be me for mam. Onyagala one has been our foundational ideology, our philosophy. That's one brother will never leave brother behind. Brother will never leave brother behind. So what I'm saying is, I challenge every person, get involved in the Igbo unification. We are setting up this movement. We are setting up this movement to become, it is a worldwide movement now. Every person is involved. Every person must be involved. If you are in any state, if you are in Lagos, if you are in Kaduna, if you are in Rivers, if you are in Imo, if you are in Abuja, if you are in Delta, if you are in Anambra, in Enugu, everywhere, every state, if you are in Akwa Ibom and you are an Igbo person and you love the unification of Igbo, coordinate that state that you are in. We are going to spread this message. We are going to spread this movement massively. Okay, just write me, if you can write me on the inbox or on this number that I'm putting up now. Write me on WhatsApp or call me. Okay, let us set up this movement to be a worldwide movement, a nationwide movement, worldwide movement. The Unify Igbos now. Let us shut these people up, the people, all these enemies of Igbo. I have a lot of IKWERRE brothers who have been calling me, telling me that they are in love, they love what I'm doing, that I should keep preaching. I have a lot of them sponsoring. So let me tell you this, brothers, please, let's spread it. If you are everywhere, just write me on this number. Let us spread the movement. It is a movement. It is a worldwide movement now. Thank you all. I still remain your own faithfully Chukwuemeka. I am a Unify Igbos Now proponent, and by the special grace of God, the coordinator, Unify Igbos Now worldwide. You say.